Hello everyone, this is Disha. Welcome back to my channel Medical Disha. In this video, I will be sharing a few important questions of the chapter Biological Classification. First question, in the 5 kingdom classification, the blue-green algae, nitrogen-fixing bacteria and methanogenic archaebacteria are included in first fungi, second plantae, third monera and fourth protista. Answer will be third monera. Question second. Contagium vivum fluidum was proposed by Ivanowski, Bing Jelinek, Stanley, Robert Hooke. Answer will be Bing Jelinek. Ivanowski discovered viruses. Stanley crystallized virus and Bing Jelinek gave contagium vivum fluidum, that is infectious living fluid. Third, organisms which are mostly marine and cell wall has cellulose with silica are dinoflagellates, diatoms, euglenoids, protozoans. Answer will be diatoms. Diatoms have siliceous cell wall. Fourth, which of the following is true about Protista? Members are primarily aquatic. Second, its cell body has a well-defined nucleus. Third, they reproduce asexually and sexually. Fourth, all of these. Answer will be all of these because all the 3 statements well apply to Protista. Dinoflagellates A are mostly marine and photosynthetic. B appear yellow, green, brown, blue or red depending on main pigments. C have stiff cellulosic plates. D all of these. Answer will be D all of these because all the 3 statements are correct for dinoflagellates. Question 6. Goniolacs undergo such rapid multiplication that first they make the sea appear red, second toxins released by them kill fishes, third they make sea appear blue, fourth both 1 and 2. Answer will be both 1 and 2 because they make the sea appear red and they kill the fishes. They intoxicate the fishes. They don't make the sea appear blue. Question 7. To which of these kingdoms does virus belongs? Monera, Protista, fungi, none. Answer will be none of these because viruses are not placed in any kingdom of 5 kingdom classification. Question 8. Match the following. Monera, fungi, plantae, animalia. So Monera will go with cellular. Fungi will be multicellular or loose tissue. Plantae will be tissue organ. Animalia will go with tissue organ as well as organ system. So right answer will be third. Question 9. The cell wall of bacterium is made up of first cellulose, second hemicellulose, third lignin, fourth peptidoglycan. Answer will be fourth peptidoglycan. Question 10. Which of the following statement is incorrect? First, citrus canker, tetanus, cholera are diseases caused by bacteria. Second, mycoplasma completely lack a cell wall. Third, bacteria found in extremely salty areas are called methanogens. Fourth, heterotrophic bacteria are helpful in making curd from milk. First statement is true. Second statement is also true. And fourth statement is also true. But third statement is incorrect. Third will be the answer. Because bacteria found in extremely salty areas are known as halophiles, whereas methanogens are found in marshy areas. Question 11. The specialized cells that help in fixing atmospheric nitrogen in nostoc are Hormogonia, heterocyst, mesosome, or none of these? Specialized nitrogen fixing cell in nostoc are heterocyst. Question 12. Non-motile spores which are produced exogenously in chains are known as first ascospore, second basidiospore, third conidia, and fourth sporangiospores. Answer will be third conidia. Question 13. Which of the following is not a commonly known form of Basidiomycetes? First, mushroom, second, bracket fungi, third, puffballs, fourth, alternaria. Answer will be fourth, alternaria, because it is an example of Deuteromycetes. First, second and third are Basidiomycetes. Alternaria is Deuteromycetes. Question 14. Which statement is false about Basidiomycetes? First, the asexual spores are generally not found. Second, vegetative reproduction by fragmentation is common. Third, sex organs are present. Fourth, plasmogamy is brought by fusion of two somatic cells of different genotypes. We have to find out the false statement. First statement is true. Second statement is also true. Third statement is false because sex organs are absent in Basidiomycetes. The fourth is true. So our answer will be third. Question 15. Members of Phycomycetes are found in first, aquatic habitat, second, on decaying wood, third, moist and damp places, fourth, as obligate parasite on plants, fifth, none of these, and sixth, all of these. So answer will be all of these. All these places are mentioned in NCERT. Answer will be all of these. Thank you. I hope this video helps you.